Thirsty Thursday. What have we got today, Jamie?
Today we're making the Brooklyn.
Okay. Are you trying to shove Nacho out of the way?
I was. We're going to do 4 ounces of bourbon. Yeah, that's good.
Nacho's very interested in the Brooklyn.
1 ounce of Amaretto. And 1.5 ounces of dry vermouth.
So this is one of those drinks that doesn't really have any mix in it. So we've made other drinks that are similar to that. The martini, what's this one?
Very similar to the Godfather, just without the vermouth.
Right. So you have to be careful when you're drinking these, so that's why we've got them in a small glass.
I'm going to go ahead.
Put a little garnish in the bottom of each of these glasses. Put it up.
This drink is called the Brooklyn. So,
we're going to strain it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You get that in there? There we go. So these are kind of like a martini glass, I guess.
Very
Similar to that. Except since they're fancy, we feel a little higher end when we're drinking it. Okay, this is the Brooklyn.
try this out.
Cheers. Cheers. Smooth.
I like it.
If it's boozy, I'll give you that.
That's good.
Yeah, the Brooklyn, everyone. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's too much booze.
It's